If you are a Malaysian, you've definitely eaten this before, fried banana balls, or we call it Kuih Kodok. It is one of Malaysians' favorite afternoon tea and you can easily find it at the street stalls. And it tastes good. Now it's even easier to do it yourself at home. Let's do it! We just need 4 ingredients. It's really simple. First, we peel the bananas. The ripe ones will have a sweeter taste. Then we add the brown sugar. If you prefer it to be sweeter, you can add 1 more tablespoon. Now we mash the bananas and blend together with the brown sugar. Then we add the flour into the mixture. Blend them well. Now we add the baking powder to make it fluffy. You can choose not to use it. If you're not using the baking powder, I suggest you add additional half cup of flour so that the banana balls will not be too soft. Now we are ready to fry them. Heat up the oil. Use a tablespoon to scoop the mixture and slowly pour into the oil to make a ball shape. Repeat until the mixture is finished. Turn them over and fry until all sides are golden brown. We are done! If you love my video, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you again.